To install the clock spring and turn signal stalk onto the steering column, what you want to start with is the clock spring, and you can see it's got a couple sections that are flat in the white yellowish colored plastic ring, so that those line up with the flats on the steering shaft. That'll slide over the steering shaft, and then what you're looking for it to do is line up with a couple of tabs. This tab right here on the steering column will slide into this slot here on the clock spring. This tab here will slide into this slot on the clock spring, and then up here you can see there's a tab that will catch on this section of steel here, and that will keep the clock spring from coming back towards the driver. So you slide that on. See there, that'll slide on. Then turn signal stalk, you can see it's got a groove here, and then on the top here you can see this other groove with a tab that can move. That's what's going to clip into place. And then there's a small bracket here with a hole in it that will screw into this spot here on the steering column itself. So you'll see you line that up there, and then on the top there it'll line up, and then you'll hear it clip into place. And then the small black screw will screw into the hole there. You'll use a 7mm socket, either a 1/4 inch drive or 3/8 drive, whichever is most handy, to be able to get that tightened down. And then what we'll do is we'll leave the covers off and the steering wheel itself from bolting up to the center shaft until after the interior is all installed, the dash is on, and we can then put the steering wheel on so that it's not in our way from doing the rest of the work that we need to do.